I just bought this one from Amazon. This is the SOG Ninja Daypack. The color is desert clay. They got a lot of colors, but I think this colors looks pretty good. Today I'm gonna make a review on this bag. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna put it on to see how it fits me. And let's get started. The material is pretty strong. You can hear that. It's not soft at all. Pretty stiff. This is the front of the backpack. So here you got MOLLE area on the top. You also got patch and MOLLE. Here the Volchromes. And you see that something like this small package, you can just use the MOLLE system and just put this one on. It's very easy, and also on the side you can put this one on. It's very versatile for a day pack. You need some accessories to make it useful to fit for you. And let's open it. The zipper feels good. Wow. So here is clear. And you got a lot of little pockets. Alright, this is a very good organizer that you can put your daily stuff in it. This is the top part. No extra bags inside. And this is good. Here you can put, there's only one side, the big bag. You can put your water bottles, whatever stuff in here, and here it gives a little more secure. But on the other side is the MOLLE system. I think this design is pretty good. On the bottom you can hang stuff, right? All right. On this side it can go all the way down, and on the other side that's it. You only can open until here. So you got top webbing, bottom webbing, and here there's the inside bag. And also right here you can put your like dedicated like sunglasses right here. And this is the bag. I like these shoulder pads. If it's only two straps, it's gonna be hurt, but for this one it's good. And the padding is breathable. You got tunnels for air go through, especially in the hot weather. It's very good. It looks pretty small, but it's 24 liters. This is how it looks from the front. I'm 5'7", or I could say 170 centimeters. And I feel this one fit me really good. And this is when I stand up. It doesn't have the belt, but I think for a day pack, it's good enough. Right, this is how it looks from the back. I feel here it's very comfortable because have the cross. Even though I give some weight, still feels pretty good. Right, sometimes you have a big backpack, when you turn, it can hit somebody, but for this one, it's narrow, it won't. It feels very comfortable and it's pretty lightweight. I like this day pack. I'm gonna use it every day. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.